Applications and examples of digital marketing. Digital marketing can be used to implement a variety of strategies and techniques to market products and services. Here are some examples of applications and techniques. Search engine marketing, SEM. This type of marketing is used to reach people who are searching for specific products or services. This can be done by creating relevant and informative content that is related to the keywords that people are using in their search queries. Social media marketing, SMM. This type of marketing is used to connect with potential customers and build relationships with them. This can be done by creating engaging and shareable content on social media. Email marketing. This type of marketing is used to send emails to current and potential customers. This can be done to inform customers about new products or services, or to encourage them to take action. Content marketing. This type of marketing is used to create valuable and helpful content for potential customers. This can be done by creating articles, ebooks, videos, and other forms of content. Pay-per-click, PPC, marketing. This type of marketing is used to display ads on websites and search pages. This can be done to capture the attention of potential customers and drive them to your website. Here are some specific examples of how digital marketing can be used to implement these strategies and techniques. A clothing company that sells dresses online can use search engine marketing to improve its website's ranking in search results for keywords related to dresses. A restaurant can use social media marketing to share photos and videos of its food with potential customers. A tech company can use email marketing to send promotional messages for new product releases. A real estate company can use content marketing to create articles about home buying tips. A travel company can use pay-per-click marketing to display ads for its website on travel websites. Digital marketing can be a powerful tool for business growth. It can be used to increase brand awareness, attract leads, and boost sales.